In today's video, we are going to solve some of the problems from exercise 19b. So let's look at the first question. Find the sum of question number 1, 3a plus 4b plus 7c minus 5a plus 3b minus 6c and 4a minus 2b minus 4c. So in order to find the sum means you have to add and get the result. So just add these expressions together. 3a plus 4b plus 7c plus minus 5a plus 3b minus 6c plus 4a minus 2b minus 4c. Now here in the next step, what we are going to do is just remove these plus signs here. This plus and this minus. You know, plus signs are heroes because they don't change the sign. And minus signs are villains because they change the sign. So over here, whenever you see plus sign, don't change the sign. Alright. Whenever you see minus in front, you need to be very careful because those minus signs are villains. They are going to change the sign of the terms. So here, just write down these expressions: 3a plus 4b plus 7c plus, as it does not change any sign, minus 5a plus 3b minus 6c goes as it is. Also 4a minus 2b minus 4c is written. Now over here you just find out the a terms: 3a minus 5a and plus 4a. So first you write down those. First you write down those a terms, then you write down the b terms: 4b plus 3b minus 2b. Then you write down the c terms: plus 7c minus 6c minus 4c. Okay, all the like terms together, a terms together, b terms and c terms. Next step, now you simplify the like terms. So 3a minus 5a plus 4a, just add the same signs. 3a and 4a are added. 7a minus 5a, different sign, write it over here. 4b plus 3b is 7b minus 2b is written out here. Plus 7c, and there is no plus sign, so we write plus 7c, and minus 6c and minus 4c. Again, same signs, we add. 6 plus 4 is 10, and we still write the same sign, minus 10c. The next step is just write down just simplify the expressions now. 7a minus 5a gives you 2a, plus 7b minus 2b gives you plus 5b. Different signs we subtract, and plus 7c minus 10c gives you minus 3c. So 2a plus 5b minus 3c becomes the answer. So similarly you can do the remaining questions from question number 1. Let's directly jump over to question number 3. As you know, question number 2 also is of the similar type. So obviously question 1 and question number 2, you will do it by yourself. Now let's look at question number 3. Evaluate. The first question, 3a minus is there in front, so you need to be extra careful. Minus is the villain. A plus 2b, so minus will change the sign. Just remember that minus changes the sign and plus does not change the sign. It keeps the signs as it is. So over here, 3a minus a, see over here, this plus a becomes minus a, and since the whole thing is under the bracket, means that every term and their signs will change inside the bracket. So plus 2b becomes minus 2b. Had there been some other terms like plus 4c or minus 3d, something like that, then all those terms would also change their signs down here. So you need to be extra careful when there is minus sign in front. So now take the like terms, 3a and minus a. The two like terms, 3a and minus a, is simplified as 2a. Okay, different signs, subtract, and minus 2b. Now 2a minus 2b, they are unlike terms and cannot be simplified further. So 2a minus 2b becomes your answer. Next, question number 2 from the same question 3. 5x minus 3y inside the bracket minus x plus y inside the bracket. Since there is no minus sign in front of this 5x minus 3y, so there is no problem opening this 5x minus 3y as it is. But there is a minus in front of these terms out here. So these terms will change the sign. Plus x becomes minus x, plus y will become minus y. So there is simply change of sign out here. Now you take the like terms and group them together. So 5x minus x minus 3y and minus y. Now 5x and x, since they are different signs, we will subtract. So you'll get 4x, keeping the sign of the greater value, that is 5x, that is positive. And 3y and minus y, different signs. Sorry, it's the same sign. So 3y and y will be added and minus sign comes over here. So 4x minus 4y, again the unlike terms cannot be simplified further. So 4x minus 4y remains as your answer. Okay, so that much for this video. Next, there are some assignment I have given you. Exercise 19b, page number 175, question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1 and 2 are just similar, just you need to add them, and question number 3 is just the type that I have shown you as the example. 2 of the examples has been given, so please do it that way. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept. Please like the video and thank you.